Hi everyone. Yesterday I heard the wisdom from a millionaire. This millionaire was saying that you have not to sell all what you have for free. What does this mean? So, if I have a package, a full package, and I offer it for free, and this package was about initiating a very successful business marketing and give it to people for free. They will not be committed to do anything from this package. Why? Because this package has lost its value. Do you know that? So, always put a price for your products. What? Because people looking for value. If they take it always for free and for free, your products will lose their values. So be careful.